What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel that I barely upload on. Anywho, today I will be showing you guys the new face techniques that I use to slay my face makeup. All these techniques I learned it from Painted by Spencer and Scott Barnes. I will link the two videos that I watched in the description box, but let's jump right into the video. So right now I have nothing on my face. I did wash my face though. Painted by Spencer uses a beauty blender to apply the moisturizer. So because I use so many products before I before I do my face makeup, I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. I'm using is it Pretty Filter? I'm using Touch in Sol Glassy Skin Balm. So I'm putting it on the back of my hand, and I use this 111 Skin Nancy Y Squared Pollution Defense Booster. I'm sorry, but I'm using this also, and I don't know, my skin has been looking so great. But anyways, I'm taking one drop of this, putting it directly to the back of my hand also, and I'm gonna mix that in, and then I'm gonna put it on my face like if it's primer. I'm not gonna bring it down to the neck today because I'm not doing anything crazy down here, but I'm gonna blend that in with the beauty blender. And he says that the purpose of this is because the remaining product that stays on the sponge helps with the application of the foundation. He says it makes it look more flawless, and I agree. It does give very airbrushed finish. So they both actually contour before they put on any foundation. So today I am using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 490. Painted by Spencer usually uses like a fluffier brush to apply this, not a very dense brush, because that way you won't have so much harsh lines. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to buff as much as I can off of the brush so that I can blend. So the next step is to use some foundation. I'm just gonna blend that in with my beauty blender, and we're doing everything with just one beauty blender. Do you guys see that? Flawless, hunty. So now we're gonna conceal and we're gonna highlight. I'm gonna use the shade 310, and I feel like I'm not gonna do any concealing. I'm just gonna go straight into highlighting. But a tip that Painted by Spencer uses is that if you don't know where to put your highlighter or how far to go, you just follow the bottom of your lash line all the way up. I'm just putting it in the back of my hand, using a concealer brush, and now I'm going to put it right where the inner corner starts and bring it down. Scott Barnes, he brings it down like all the way. And then I'm gonna start like winging it out like so. And you just fill in the gaps, I guess you can call it. Using the same beauty blender that we've been using, we're just gonna blend everything out. See how pretty that looks? So I want to be a little bit more highlighted. I'm actually gonna go in with 300, and this one I'm just keeping up there. I'm not bringing it out too far. I'm gonna also highlight everywhere else that I highlighted. That's how I like it. Nice and highlighted. Now it is time to set our face. Of course, I'm going in with Fenty, and I'm actually gonna use my beauty blender today for this. Past couple of days I've been using a brush, but I kind of like it how the powder sits on your skin better when you apply it with the beauty blender. You see? It looks so much better than with a brush, in my opinion. Everybody's different. Now we're gonna bake our under eyes, and I'm using Becca Cosmetics. It's so white. Becca Cosmetics under eye brightening setting powder. I'm gonna pack this baby on. This is my absolute favorite powder for the under eyes. Now, before I go into really carving out my contour, I'm gonna go into this Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette, and I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna use this one today to bronze. I had to change my brush because I think I was using a blush brush. And I'm pushing the product upward when I'm blending. Now, nothing too crazy, but I am going to contour a little bit down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to place it literally at the top, right where the bridge is, to the side of the bridge. It looks funny because I have some of the baking powder down the bridge of the nose, so but it'll look better soon. Now what I'm gonna do is just carve out that contour. You guys know I've been loving lately the no lashes natural brow type look, and we're gonna stick to that. So no eyeshadow today, no shimmer. I just want to keep it strictly like based on the face makeup. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel and I'm gonna put it on my eyebrows. I'm just shaping the brows the way that I would want them to look if I were filling them in. And now we're going to use our Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and we're going to do 2 coats. Now I'm going to use this fluffy fan brush to just brush off all this powder. It leaves nothing white. It just sets it beautifully. Now using my Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush palette, I'm going to go into this shade right here, and I'm gonna highlight a little bit. I love highlighting down the bridge of my nose. That's my favorite part. And first I'm gonna go in with this gloss. It's called Blousey. I believe this is the gloss from the Karrueche and ColourPop collection. And then of course going in with Fenty. And that is it for this look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked the new techniques that I've been using and that I learned. I'm gonna ask someone how I link it down below, because I honestly don't know how to do that, but I will add the 2 videos that I watched to learn all these awesome techniques. They definitely teach way more than what I put into this video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And stay tuned, because we will be coming back with more videos. Bye.